Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. I hope everybody is okay. Thanks and welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I know I've been away for a while. I've been very busy, and I want to say I'm sorry for that. But yes, I'm here. I'm pretty much just got up. Pretty much just got up, and I say let's shoot a video because it's my day off, and it's almost 4 o'clock in the evening or the afternoon. But I want to say thanks to all new subscribers. First and foremost, thanks to all the gingerbread and jelly bean that's been here for a while. Thank you for everyone. I'm at 928, I think 29 subscribers now, which is a great milestone for me, the one black boy. Yes, I really appreciate each and everyone for that. The channel is growing slowly because I've been pushing out as much content as I want to, due to the fact that I'm busy and don't get enough time, and in my work hours are late evenings to early mornings. So it's counterclockwise to when everybody's up, when the sun is up, and all that just stuff. So, today I want to talk about relationships for Jamaican and most tourists that goes to Jamaica, especially women that go to Jamaica and fall in love, and then they go on social media and post about it or cuss people or talk about it or complain that Jamaican men are this and Jamaican men are that. So a lot of people go to Jamaica, fall in love with us, fall in love with the culture, and they don't understand the culture. They don't really understand us as a people. They just fall in love with the stereotype. They watch it in movies. I guess there was this movie back in the day, Stella. I think something with Stella or Orange. Was it Stella? Something with Stella. Stella came from England as a white lady and went to Jamaica and fall in love with this madman that was talking to himself and talking to the trees and stuff like that. I know probably some of you might remember that movie. And this madman and her had great sex, and she loved the sex. I think she wanted to get married and stuff like that. So this has been going on before I was even born. Before, you know, plane was around. I was just joking about the plane. But this has been going on for a while. You have women coming down from all over going to Jamaica for one specific reason, is to get a Jamaican husband, to get some good Jamaican sex, and yeah, this has been going on for years, for decades. So now we're in 2018. This is still going on. With the advent of social media, people can reach out to people from across the pond or up north or south, wherever you are. People can get in contact with you easier. So instead of you taking a plane and us coming down to Jamaica, which still do happen, and find your husband and get married instantly and then fall in love, people connect over social media and find their husband. Some are genuine, some are not. My issue is that a lot of people, or a lot of these women, they go to Jamaica and they fall in love, or claim that they fall in love, and they find a Jamaican man and oh, they're in love in space of 1-2 weeks. And we have seen this time and time again, and they brag about it and they post on show social media and all of that. And then you look at the time span, you look at the timeline when love was found and all like that, and you're like, it's just 2 weeks. Yeah. So a lot of people do that, and then when I see that, I laugh, and I'm not laughing in a sense that they're stupid for that, but laughing at the situation, that it's funny because people are naive. And how can you fall in love after 2 weeks? How can you fall in love and you just met somebody? You don't know the person from Adams, you don't know their background, you don't know nothing at all about this person. So you saying that you're in love, especially for adults, it's a laughable situation. So oftentimes you see it on social media, they're cussing out the girls back home in Jamaica. Oh, this and that, you want my man and all these stuff. Because the thing about it, these men pretty much say that these women don't have much sense, and then they use them to their advantage and just get what they can from them. And it's like, females, you can't blame them. You can't blame anybody but yourself. You put yourself in that situation. And it's just funny how you always find them complaining and cussing out Jamaican men. Jamaican men are dogs and they're always cheating and stuff like that. But the fact is, you're stupid to fall in love with somebody that you don't know. Even if it's not Jamaican, even if you're in your own country and you fall in love with somebody that you don't know, you made a stupid decision. You made a choice to fall in love with that person that you don't know. You see what I'm saying? So people have to take responsibility for their own actions. People have to realize that what they're doing makes no sense. So if you are going to go somewhere that you don't know and fall in love with somebody that you don't know, who is to be blamed but you? So a lot of them do that. A lot of them cuss men and call men this and call men that, and it's them. You're the issue. You're the one who is acting stupid and doing stupid things that makes no sense, and then you get hurt and then you complain how much people hurt you. So my advice to you is that stop being stupid, stop doing stupid stuff, stop doing stuff that makes no sense just to feel good, just to feel nice and feel like, oh, you have a Jamaican man and you're falling in love and all of that. That doesn't make much sense for you. That doesn't help your case. That won't get you anywhere. Because after the fun and everything is boiled down, then you come back to reality. After you come off at the high and you come back down to reality, you realize that this doesn't make sense and it's not working for you. You're not compatible. You guys don't have any goals together. You guys don't set any goals together. You don't know what you want for the next 3, 4, 5 years or 3, 4, 5 months. You're just in the moment, and it's just, something that you should enjoy. So a lot of people mix up the moment with the long term or the future. If you're going to stay in the moment and enjoy the moment, but don't carry that moment into a year or 2 or 6 months and believe that, oh, you find love and it's unbreakable and it's unstoppable and nobody can break us apart. We are so strong together. Hey, and all of that. So I just find it funny, and I just wanted to talk about that. Like, people, don't be stupid. Don't be naive, especially adults. Don't be naive, because it makes no sense, and people are just going to laugh at you at the end of the day. So I just wanted to share that and make a video about it and just tell people to stop being stupid, because you have nobody to blame but yourself at the end of the day. So yes, so the title of this will be, stop going to Jamaica and fall in love with Jamaican men and then blame them in the long run. So thanks for watching JVLOGS. I hope everybody is okay. Remember, my Gofundme page is still live. Go there if you want to support. Go there if you want to donate for me to get a better camera as well. I'm still saving towards it. It's a lot of money, so I'm saving towards it still. So just want to say thank you to everybody. Thanks a lot. I'm out. Subscribe and share. Don't forget that part.